Hey guys, Motor Car Nut here. Today we're talking about tire rotation on the F-150s. This is 2009 and up. They're pretty much all the same. Maybe even lower years, you just check. Is how Ford wants you to do. This is non-directional tires. What that means is there's tires on certain vehicles that only can spin one way. So if it was directional, you only can do it from one side to the other side. You can't flip them to the other side. But most trucks don't have directional tires. All right, so what you do is you get the two fronts, okay? And the two fronts get flipped. So basically, the driver's side goes to the passenger side rear. Passenger side front goes to driver's side rear. And the two rears go straight back to the front. Okay? That's one way to do it. And you can do it another way, whereas you have front tire goes in the back, drop passenger side tire goes in the back, back side tire gets flipped around, goes in the front on that side, and passenger side rear gets flipped around and goes driver side front. Those are the two ways you can do it, and you do them every second oil change, maybe 6,000 miles, and this way your tires stay properly worn. They're expensive. That's the proper way to do it. Better handling, and you save yourself money. Okay, and that's how you do it. Motor Car Nut, please subscribe, hit the like button. Any questions, leave them below pertaining to the video. I answer all my videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.